me. It's not my birthday yet, cause I gotta say.
Hey Glam Squad, this is Dalou. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you're having a great start of your new year and everything is going great. In this video, I am in my dining room. I am removing the Christmas decor. I'm going to clean it up and then I'm going to fresh it up. This is gonna be a winter dining room decor, aka any time of the year dining room decor. Hopefully, you will find some inspirations. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. I upload glam home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning. If you're interested in any of these things, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my returning glam squad, thank you so much. It is so good to see you here one more time. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you a beautiful cooking set that I got from Use Luck, a vendor from Amazon.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? When the world is everything, no break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right now, tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no lo sé. Siempre has estado tan bella, pero has cambiado, mujer. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? Siento que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu amor. No, no, no. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown.
I am going to put a warner on the table because the table has a lot of scratches. A typical warner wouldn't fit, so I am using 2 curtains for the left.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready.
These are the flowers I'm gonna be using on the table. They are a little bit pinkish, but yeah, no, pink is neutral for me. And these flowers does not fit a particular season just because the material is more of a foam type. And they are not as pink as they look on the video. I thought they were a great one for me to use this time since I don't really like to use them for spring. But they are definitely calling out spring since it is pretty cold in New York. These flowers give me a little bit of hope that spring is on the way.
Welcome to friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet.
Before I show you what the room looks like, I'd like to show you the cookware foam use lock, 24 pieces ceramic cookware. The cookware set came with a little screwdriver to screw in the handles. This is the set. As you can see, it is beautiful. I've been using it for 3 weeks now and I enjoy it. First thing I would like to bring to your attention, they are non-stick. The set came with several different sizes of pan and pots that serve my need. It is free from harmful chemicals such as PFOA and PFAS. The lid is a glass lid with wooden handles, just like the handle for the pots and the pans. This is the close-up on the inside. It is a stylish set. The set came with 2 cooking utensils. Also, the fabric trivet that you can use when cooking or to place inside the pan if you're stacking them up to prevent scratches. You can also use this for storage system. After cooking, cleaning them is super easy since nothing sticks. Only thing I would say, do not use any metal utensil because it will scratch them. The link for this beautiful cookware set will be in the description box. Please check it out. I think you may enjoy it, especially if you're looking for a smarter and safer way to cook. Once again, I wish all of you a blessed new year. I am looking forward to upload some more videos for you in this new year. And I hope you are looking forward to seeing them. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I love you always. Bye bye.